The problem is, this is again just a two-dimensional projection of this three-dimensional structure. And if we start moving along it, we will start seeing all of this fade. So take a closer look what happens as we start zooming out. As we can see, there is a relatively large distribution of them in space. Now, and with that, we have exited our galaxy, and this is our first look at it. Again, everything we've seen up to this point and everything else we're going to see in this entire tool is based on scientific astronomical data. This picture of the Milky Way is the only thing which is not, simply because we cannot see the Milky Way from the outside. This is actually an artist's interpretation. So this is the lovely little region where we are in. As we can see, we are on the more or less the edge, or like in between region of two arms. We know we are in a spiral galaxy. We are also pretty sure it is the barred spiral, which means you have here the bulge and then we have here the bars. We do not know how many arms it has. We think it's somewhere between 2 and 4 arms. We just don't know, and it's going to be a while until we figure that out, because it's relatively hard to figure this out when you're sitting in the middle of it and you see a bunch of dust. Now, a quick question to all of you. In the beginning, we've seen that all the points around us were stars. What are these points here?
Galaxies?
Yes. All of these points are galaxies. Just to put things into perspective, our Milky Way galaxy consists of approximately 100 to 400 billion stars, which is a huge amount of object. We can estimate that most stars, or most solar systems at least, tend to have multiple stars. So let's say, I don't know, 3, 4. Not stars, planets. So, you can add another factor of 3, so we end up being somewhere in the trillions of planets in these systems, just to put things a bit into perspective. Now, every one of these points is a galaxy. No, some of them are smaller, some of them are larger, some of them are significantly larger, and some of them are significantly smaller. And with that, on average, you end up again in the billions of stars per point. So every point